Wolves are the largest members of the Canidae family, which also includes foxes, coyotes, and jackals. They are native to North America and Eurasia, and they play an important role in their ecosystems as apex predators. Wolves are social animals that live in packs of 5 to 12 individuals, led by an alpha male and female. They have strong, muscular bodies that are well adapted for hunting. They have long legs that allow them to run for long distances, and their sharp claws help them to grip their prey. Wolves also have thick fur that helps to protect them from the cold. Wolves have excellent eyesight and can see well in both daylight and low-light conditions. They also have a very good sense of smell, which they use to track their prey. Wolves can communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including growls, whines, and howls. They are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, mountains, and grasslands. They are most active at night, and they typically sleep during the day in dens or other sheltered areas. Wolves are carnivores, and their diet consists mainly of large mammals such as deer, elk, and moose. They also eat smaller animals such as rabbits, hares, and birds. Wolves are social animals that live in packs with a strict social hierarchy. The alpha male and female are the leaders of the pack, and they are responsible for protecting the pack and making decisions about hunting and territory. Wolves are also very playful animals, and they often spend their time playing with each other and their young. They are born blind and helpless, and they rely on their mother for milk and protection. Wolf pups stay with their pack for up to 2 years, during which time they learn how to hunt and survive in the wild. Wolves are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. Habitat loss is the biggest threat to wolves, as their forest and grassland habitats are being destroyed for agriculture, development, and other human activities. Wolves are also poached for their fur and meat, and they are sometimes killed by humans in retaliation for killing livestock. There are a number of organizations working to conserve wolves and their habitat. These organizations are working to protect wolf habitat, reduce poaching, and educate people about the importance of wolves. Wolves are magnificent creatures that play an important role in the ecosystem. They help to control populations of prey animals and keep the food web in balance. We must do everything we can to protect wolves for future generations.